So in this particular one, we got the wall that goes around Xi'an. So there's I think it said 37 square kilometers, I believe. So basically the city spreads out a lot further than that. But what we're trying to do right now is going to get on top of the wall, and we're just going to what I think is going to be an entrance gate. So let's find out. Okay, so we're kind of in the northwest corner of the Xi'an wall, and we're also kind of near some temples and kind of some tourist stuff, and I see a tourist center up there as well, so we're gonna check all that out. And I think I'm going to be walking right over there. Okay, so soon we're going to be up on that wall. I think I can see some people on the wall already. Okay. It's kind of cool. We're kind of seeing more of this, and also this one too, right? Traditional clothing. I heard that's really big in Xi'an. Let's see if we can go on in. Enter.
Welcome.
Thank you. Get some water and a tissue. I guess because it's pretty hot. And there's a temple right there. And the temple there, of course. But my goal is to get up on top of that wall. I hope I can get on the wall. Entrance. Definitely a lot of beautiful stuff here. Guang Temple. What's the name of it? So I'm kind of angling towards the wall because that's mostly what I want to do. But this is really cool in the temple area. I didn't even realize the temple was here, so. How do I get on that wall? Okay. I know I should be exploring the temple with the camera, but I'm trying to get to that, kind of want to get to that wall.
傻笑，连着转，快点连着转，连着往你的右边转，左边转，转，左边，哎，连转不是这个，哎，转，这个是那个。
Okay, looks like we're getting more of the temple than the wall. That's okay. I'll go ask the tourist center. Pretty cool though. Okay, I'm gonna try to go to, so I guess we end up doing this instead.